Today we're going to walk you through some beautiful homes from the low 300s in Northport, Florida. We're at the Strand by Cedar Grove community.
And the builder here is Centex, which is kind of like a division of Pulte, and we are in Northport, Florida, in a good location, really close to the highway. We'll give you all the nitty-gritty details, but let's check out this first home.
First up, we do have brick driveways and walkways. This would be the garage here, but it's the sales center right now.
I like the touches with the trim being white and the paint colors there.
Yes.
It's a nice touch around the windows, and you can see too, they've got the little angled beams there.
It's like a little farmhouse entryway.
Mm-hmm. Right away when you come in, you've got this huge open entryway.
Yes, very, very open.
Love the touches with the woodwork and the trims there and the tall baseboards. And right away to the right, there is a den slash flex room, or whatever you'd like to call it.
And this is beautiful. I love that olive paint.
Mm-hmm. It's a different look.
Yes.
It's a pretty good room too as far as the size goes.
Yes, really good size.
The French doors there, and two pretty big windows for some natural lighting. Coming back towards the front, we have got another big open area, but this would be your dining room area. So it's actually got somewhat of a formal dining room here.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's formal, but it doesn't have a door, so it's open.
And look at the touches with the baseboards. That's beautiful.
And the vinyl flooring as well. The color, it's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Like it.
You can see they got a little extra space there too. It kind of juts out. So you got room for some more cabinetry or whatever you'd like to put there. A table. There's a pretty big space for this dining room. And, you know, really, if you wanted to close this off too, you could use it as like another family room, office, I guess, you name it. So continuing back, we've got a laundry room over here with some shelving up above.
I really, really like that color.
Yeah.
And this is the garage, but it's the sales center right now, so we're not going to take you there. But
look at this space.
This is a 4-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, 3-car garage, 2,500 square feet, and the base price is $485,990,000.
Love the touches throughout this space. First of all, again, the molding with the ceiling and the different color paint and the woodwork. And then it's a good space, like pretty sizable living room.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Dining room is pretty big as well. And they got everything, you know, sort of set up in a way that kind of defines the areas.
And the color combinations are perfect.
Mm-hmm. Pantry in here, which is sneaky big. It goes around the corner there, and you might not expect that. Love the different colors with the cabinets in here, the kind of clay gray. And it's got a pretty good size island.
Nice farmhouse sink.
And then around the corner here, they've got a little extra space for you to put some more shelving, decorations, hutches, tables, whatever you would like. We'll take you back across over here because there's an entire wing on this side. Little mini hallway to get over here. We take a left. Got your bathroom here.
Very nice colors in here as well, with the tans and the greens and the clays.
And then we've got, again, if we didn't note yet, unique touches with the baseboards and the molding. That's nice. And by the way, if you are looking to buy or sell a home in the Northport, Venice, Sarasota, Englewood areas, we would love to help you out. Call, text, or email our team, 941-221-1897. We've helped a lot of people move to the area, and we'd love to help you too.
And that's a great way to support the channel as well, so we can keep making videos like this.
We do appreciate that if you call us or text us. Pretty good sized bedroom in here. And the closet is kind of sneaky wide. It goes around the corners a little wider than you might think, which is cool. Get a little extra space to store things. And I like the layout here with the bedrooms being kind of close to each other on this wing.
Yes.
Great for if you got kiddos and you gotta.
Lots of natural light in here too. The light was off actually. But yeah, it's very, very bright.
And then around the corner here, we've got some more closet spaces. This one's sneaky deep.
Yes. And I hear the air handler on this one.
Yeah, so not much storage in that one. Do also like the touches with the texture on the wall. I don't know if you can see that very well in the video, but it does look nice in person. And then look at this. You've got yourself a pretty big window in here. I like the touches with the design on the wall and the paint. But on top of that, you've got a lot of extra space at the foot of the bed here and your own bathroom
As well. Very nice.
Tile goes pretty high. And they kept that color scheme going throughout the home with the cabinets. Closet again is a little bit bigger than you might expect. Goes a little bit wider than you might think. So that's good to get that extra storage space.
And this bedroom is like a corner, in a corner, which is cool. It doesn't seem like it is.
So that was 3 bedrooms and, well, 2 bathrooms. I was going to say a bath, but one would be dedicated to that 1 bedroom and then one for general use. And then here's our primary.
Primary, yeah.
So we've got some nice touches with the woodwork in here right away on the wall. Very big space. Look at all the extra space, and those are some big nightstands.
Yeah, this is a big room.
Look
at that light fixture.
And some pretty big window in here as well. And then well, there's a couple of surprises to show you in here, I guess. First of all, very big primary.
Bathroom, it's really big as well.
And water closet. This is just one closet, so stay tuned for the other one. But this is pretty good space already. And coming out here, got our double vanities. Window.
Nice little window.
Got yourself a bench in here. And coming back out, we'll take you to that surprise around the corner here, which is another walk-in closet, which is massive.
A big walk-in closet. So you got 2 big walk-in closets in here.
And there's a gorgeous pool to show you in this home as well. And on the way there, we'll tell you a little bit more about Northport, which is a quieter, kind of suburban meets rural area. Being in a gated community will give you a slightly more suburban feel here. And pretty much all your big box store shopping is handled that you'll need. And you are really close to 75 in this community.
Which is amazing for easy access to north or south, whatever you want to go.
Yeah, both Sarasota and Fort Myers are bigger cities. It's nice to get access to those quickly. So first of all, just this huge overhang area is amazing.
This is beautiful.
Just get the shade.
It's huge.
And it's like a whole extra living space. Could you imagine coming out here for the morning coffee, looking at the water, whichever one you choose, whether that be the pond or the pool?
Yes. And as you can see across from us, they do have 2-story homes in this community as well. So 1-story, single story, or 2-story for even more square footage.
Yeah, so there are some other options out there outside of the models we're showing in this video. Again, as always, if you want to buy or sell a home in the area, call or text us.
941-221-1887.
So, should we go to the next home?
Let's do it.
So second model is the Cresswind. This one is on the lower price point. So if you were looking from the low 300s, this would be the one. And that low 300s would be $320,990 is the base price. 3 beds, 2 baths, 2-car garage. 1660 is the square footage. Got a little overhang area here. Love the glass door. And the color is beautiful as well. Love the big open hallway space right away.
Really tall ceilings as well. tall baseboards, and I like that they have like a little character going on. It's not just the wood.
And you've got a closet right away too. With it's not a lot of space, but you can maybe get a little something in there. It's mainly for your air handler, but it's good to have something to put a little storage by the entryway.
And the first bedroom by the entry as well. Huge window.
Yeah,
Brings in a lot of natural lighting here.
really big. And closet with the sliding doors.
Good size.
And coming right out, we've got your first bathroom.
I love that black paint.
Yeah, that's very different.
Yes.
At first I was gonna say maybe it's navy, but I think it is a full-on black. Leave a comment, let us know your thoughts. Either that or it's like the darkest navy I've ever seen.
Yeah, no, it's black.
And tile looks similar to the floor.
Yes.
It's kind of cool how they tied that together.
And it matches too with the countertops and everything.
And actually on that note, in this room, kind of shows you some of the different packages they have. So that's kind of a nice thing. They have like different setups, you know, to meet your taste needs.
Yeah, so this is what's included in all their homes. And then if you want to upgrade, then you go to a different, like the classic, the grandeur, the looks, and those are separate fee.
And we have helped people buy Pulte Centex homes before. Get a hold of us. And we do serve the Venice, Northport, Sarasota, Englewood, Welland Park, Lakewood Ranch areas.
So we can help you find the right community for you. And for this community, there will be 244 single-family homes. The maintenance is included and landscaping included in the HOA fee.
That's a huge win.
Yeah. They will have a resort-style pool, a covered cabana, and barbecue grills. That's pretty cool. I like that. Sports park, and a covered playground for the kids.
Inside the garage. Pretty good
size
space in there,
garage, yeah. And the HOA fee is $234 a month, but that does vary depending on which home you get.
One thing to note is your garage would not look like this. This has been modified. That's basically a restroom for people that need to use it, that are touring the homes. So it's been a little bit of a slight conversion with this garage. And right away when you come in from the garage, you also have another closet. This one is more of an actual closet. Pretty good amount of shelving in there and space, which is good to have. And then coming back to the kitchen, dining, living room area, look at this.
Nice and open.
Yes, love the layout.
Really bright as well.
Yes.
Lots of light.
The sunlight right now is shining pretty much directly in towards us. And yeah, it's a good living room space, like really, really large, but I also like that how everything's open but yet defined. Got some molding up there in the tray ceiling with different paint. And kitchen has got some good space as well. Pretty good size island. And then more cabinet space and counters to the side. Here you got a little nook.
And then you have your pantry, which is a corner pantry, and it's pretty big.
Yeah, quite a bit of room for storage in there.
Farmhouse sink.
Nice backsplash. Everything's very nice and neutral toned in here. And then that's a pretty big dining room space. Here's your primary, which I love the shiplap on the wall.
Yes.
It's a nice touch. Coming back to your primary bathroom. Got double vanities. Shower. Window above for some natural light.
Very nice.
And look at the size of this.
Yeah, this closet is amazing.
Yeah, this is a full-on room. This could be an office. And there's actually sneaky size to it because there's also this.
Yeah.
So your storage needs are handled here for clothes for sure, and maybe a little bit of other stuff. Unless you got a lot of clothes, which, let's be honest, some of us do. But to tell you a little bit more about Northport and the location, so pretty much all your big box store shopping needs are going to be covered in Northport. And then you're also really close in this community to Highway 75, which is awesome. As we mentioned before, that will get you access to Fort Myers area in about 50 minutes, which is a little bit of a bigger city, which is great to have access to that pretty quickly.
Yes, you'll also have access to downtown Venice, which is about 30 minutes, and Venice Beach, about 35 minutes. And downtown Venice is pretty cool because it's a very historic downtown, and there's lots of little shops and restaurants. And just having Venice Beach down the road, it's amazing.
And Nokomis Beach is actually, believe it or not, even closer. It's about a 30-minute drive because it's a little bit closer to the highway, even though it is a little bit further north. And that's a great beach because they also have a jetty, just like Venice has a jetty, but the jetty's actually right by the beach there, and there's a boardwalk there as well. So that's kind of cool, and a few little like shack-type restaurant things there that you can get a bite to eat at.
And then Sarasota is about a 53-minute drive and also has lots of shopping. Siesta Key Beach is beautiful in Sarasota as well. And the UTC Mall with lots of shopping, it's about a 45-minute drive.
Yeah, they got an entire mall there and pretty much any other big box store you could dream of, and restaurant for that matter. And then you're just about 6 miles away from the closest Walmart here and 2.5 miles away from the closest Publix. So that is really close. And as we mentioned, just about all your big box store shopping needs are going to be handled in Northport.
And also you're about 25 minutes to downtown Welland Park, which has some shopping, a lot more coming to the area, but they're working on phase 2 right now. And there is some restaurants as well, and a huge lake in the downtown area that you can walk around, bike around, or even kayak. And let's go out to the lanai.
This is a little bit smaller than the other one, as you can see.
Yes.
But as always, you know, there's always options with every home for the lanai and the pool and all that to deck it out how you see fit. If you want to put the extra money into it, or maybe you don't. You know, some people don't want to deal with a pool. Some people want to and need the pool to be in Florida. So,
and even though this is a smaller lanai, it doesn't feel quite as small because of the way it's shaped. It's like a perfect square.
And it's great that you got the pond view here, as you do with a lot of the homes in this community.
If you're looking to buy or sell a home in the Northport, Venice, Sarasota areas, make sure to call, text, or email our real estate team, 941-221-1897. We've helped a lot of people move down to the area and would love to help you too. And that's a great way to support the channel so we can keep making you videos like this.
If you want to know more about what it's like to live in Northport, check out this video right here. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and
live breezy.